the poem, Days of the Dead, Pátzcuaro, Michoacán, Mexico. Hindus, or was it Mayas, first came up with the number 0, origins from which all values are calibrated. Z equals an unknown quantity. In pre-Columbian Mexico, 0 was just a number, something or other, or nothing moreover. India added to it, bringing null to their religious philosophy. Tibetans have no Z in their alphabet. Zeta is the 6th letter in the Greek alphabet. Oh, logical, illogical human zoo. I'd like to know who came up with the last letter of the last names. Ramirez, Rodriguez, Gonzalez, Gutierrez, Hernandez, Gomez. Go Mexico! Here in Mexico, it's back to ground zero as Porfirio Díaz y los dazed muertos doze. Adios Cortés y viva Montezuma. Arriba, go Huitzilopochtli. Viva Mexico, Zapata, Juárez, Lázaro Cárdenas, Lazarus. Todos los muertos, all the uncountable, Zompantli, skulls. In Mestizo Mexico, Zona Michoacana, this is the last letter of many pueblos. Sinapecuaro, Zitácuaro, Zihuatanejo, no, es muy lejos. El corazón del Día de los Muertos is here, por Pátzcuaro, Ihuatzio, Janitzio, Zamora, Zarzamora, Zacatlán, Tzintzuntzan, Zen, 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 the list goes on. Zeroing, 0 when Zen. Zen is 1, and Zen is 0, and Zen is Om is 1 and 0, one who uttereth the monosyllable Om. That parting goes with Brahma to the right theme. To the land of Oz. The Hindenburg Zeppelin downs ago. Below the Zephyr and the Zabra cadaver, ship sinking, Zozobra, shipwrecked, zebras, swimming zigzag across the Z into eternity. Led Zeppelin's stairways to heaven, Ozzy Osbourne, and Zappa's zeitgeist of zaniness. Dizzy Gillespie zooms through the dead's dreams. Zorba the Greek embodies Z, cinematic, zest for life, and death. Viva los Zapatistas! The Zion train is coming our way, carrying all the signs of the zodiac. This is it. You're gonzo. You're one big 0. When your number comes up, that's it. See ya. Back in Michoacán. Tzintzínguaro. Zen Zen 0. Z equals 0. Z in 2 knots equals 0. Zorro is no more. Oh! To Sirahuen I went with Gonzalo. 0 when Zen. 0 when muerto. 0 wapang. 0 when what happens? This is it. You're gonzo. Turumuturo, mother of all zeros, with the familia of Esperanza Calavera, cocinera de la casa de poets and painters, praying for the recent dead, rezando por su mamá Elaria, ofrenda con manzana, Mujeres en rebozos azules, blue shawls, me with a camera, another extranjero bozo. In Pátzcuaro, many patsy gringos futzing around funerals and tombstones. El tonto, the fool in the tarot, es el número 0. Take a pausa con pozole with a zing at the end of the sizzling tongue. Azaleas and booze abound on this altar. Rezando para el papá de Lupe, la limpiadora, zapped by Zeus's thunderbolt in a field of maize. O sea, zip, zap, zilch, zas. Making masa morra, making a mess of masa cornmeal. Dios mío. Too late for los sapilotes, mistaken in New World as buzzards. No need for Zacateca, gravedigger, left only with empty zapatos. This hombre bizonked, azotado, flogged by la mano de Dios como un ángel negro. Así es. Así it is. This is it. The end scene of Eisenstein's Viva Mexico. Zany, amazing, Shazam, Zowie. Zoetrope figures in the Danza de Death. Ofrendas with zapote fruit. Fiesta con mezcal, pues. Not Sinfandel, but let's try Sisyphus's fruits. Al panteón que una esperanza. No playing of the zither here. Only sollozos, sobs, and 9 days of rosarios and aves marias, and más cempasúchiles, marigolds to decorate tristeza, calaveras de calabaza, pumpkin skulls, de la familia de Esperanza Calavera, confetti de su hija Alejandrita en our cabezas, la cabeza de Zoe, head standing in el templo de Iguazio, at her upside-down zenith on this ziggurat, burying dark tristeza, tierra, sadness, con los colores de paz y alegría, her swirling sangre squeezing through the sesos ese, her brains. What happens if the dead sneeze? Todos santos, all zillion almas, awaken from their haze, zombies arise, tristeza, alegría, y abejas zumban, bees buzz, spirits come a-zooming, all the way, like the mariposas, monarchas, in migration from Canada, following a trail of orange wing dust, like the petals of the cempasúchil path the Aztecs paved for ancestors to find their way home along, to find their way again with zest to fiestas, swept away by sacatones, grass brooms, and souls snooze otra vez from fiesta to siesta, back to ground zero, into la tierra de azufre, sulfur. Sufrimiento is all life, crazy suffering. In death I descanso. I descanso, pues. There's rest, right? Back, beyond the last letter, the last breath, the last village, Ciro Hueng, La Vela Perpetua. Pueblo holds perpetuity in lit candle ofrendas. Zoroastrian flame, ever onward, hombre. Ciro Hueng. Zero win until they return again from worlds without words, without alphabets. This is it. This is the end of Zipon.